Hi, welcome to the garden. Today we're talking about seeds. We know some plants have flowers, and the job of the flower is to produce seed besides feeding our butterflies and other insects. Here we have some. You see, as this flower dries, it becomes a seed. These are the seeds. So we'll learn how to collect seeds. Seeds come in different shapes and sizes. This is one of my favorite. These are the monarch caterpillar milkweed plant, and you see they're flying seeds. They are supposed to fly with the wind, and wherever they land, they will grow again. That's why we have to keep it in a special jar so they don't fly away. But other seeds like these ones, you can keep in a container like this. We have marigolds also in here. You can mix your seeds. To pick your seeds, you just start from the bottom and you pull upwards like this until you collect all the seeds. And then you put them in your container. After you collect your seeds, it's a good idea to trim the upper part of your plant. So the plant start growing new leaves and eventually new flowers. There are all kinds of seeds. Some seeds are quite big. In here, I have sunflower seeds. Some of you like to eat them, but these came from our sunflowers last year. You see how big they are? Some have stripes and some are like that. So depending how big are your seeds, you know how deep you put them in the soil. Our milkweed seeds that are so tiny, or these ones that we just collected, they go on top of the soil almost. You just will put moist the soil, moist the ground, the place where you're going to put it, and you just press down into the soil. But our sunflowers need to go deep. Over here we have some sunflowers that are already growing, like these ones. This is our sunflowers. Sometimes seeds come in the form of a bean or a pulses. This is our green beans. Inside, as they dry, they will become a seed. But before that, you can eat it too. It's delicious and healthy. You see, these are green. We can eat them. Delicious. But when they dry and they become, maybe we can find one that is already drying out, like this one. Like this one. No, not that one. Here, we have one here. You see, they're drying out. So now they become a seed. Their color change and they become hard. And now that is a seed. A bean is a seed. You may have some beans at home. Any bean will do. Red beans, garbanzo beans, even lentils you can plant and try how they grow. Oh, I just saw a beautiful big caterpillar. Look, it's right there. He's so big, I think he's just going to look for a place to make a cocoon. All right, I'm glad you visited today. Come another time.